Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to put images on perspective frame in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into using pen tool for making shapes, converting layers to smart object, create clipping mask, using object selection tool, and saving file. Now let's get started! So here in our document, I prepared here an image of a frame, and I also have here on another document an image of a family. And I also have here an image of this that will serve as our glare for our frame later on. The first step we're going to do here is we're going to extract this cup from this background layer. So to do that, going on to the layers panel, make sure that you're selected on the background layer, go to the toolbar, go to the fourth tool, right click on it, and find this object selection tool. Well, click on that, and then put our mouse cursor on the cup. Look at that. Once I did that, it automatically detected the cup. Now let's create a selection to it by just clicking that. There you go. Now we're going to create a layer of its own by pressing Ctrl or Command plus J. Now we already extract this one. So this is already cup, and here's the background. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. So moving back, now the next step here is that we're going to create shape with the use of the pen tool. So going on to the toolbar, let's go and find the pen tool. Yes, it shows this icon. Click on that, or you can just press P for the shortcut key. Then go up here in the options panel, just click on this one here. Yeah, click this arrow down, and let's set this one to shape. There you go. Now you can choose whatever color of shape you want. Well, I'll choose black. And now let's apply the shape here. All right, so let's zoom this one in. All right, press P for the pen tool. Okay, let's start creating a path on this corner here. Also here. And let's just imagine the edge is over here, here, and here. All right, then let's close the selection. Let's just click on this original from where this path where we start. Okay, there you go. Now I already have a kind of shape like this. Then after this, we're going to convert this shape layer into a smart object. So again, going onto the layers panel. Well, that's the shape that we just add. Right click on it, and then choose on convert to smart object. There you go. By the way, from this shape layer, I'm going to click and drag it down under this cup layer. There you go. That's the cup layer, right? Now, next step here, we're going to apply the picture of the family. So to do that, I'm going to double click on this thumbnail layer of the shape, this converted shape layer into smart object. Yes, double click on this smart object thumbnail. Click on that. Once I click that, it will lead us into its own canvas. All right, let's go here and get this image of a family. Press Ctrl or Command plus A to select all. Press Ctrl or Command C to copy. Let's go here on the shape file, and then let's paste it here by pressing Ctrl or Command plus V. There you go. All right, so the size is big, so press Ctrl or Command plus T for the transformation command. Let's click and drag those anchor points in, so that we may be able to decrease the size. All right, something like this. And now, press Ctrl plus T for the transformation command. Then right-click on this layer, and then we'll be selecting Distort. Okay, now I'm going to match those edges from the shape of this family image. So I'm going to click this point here, over there, also here, here, and here. Now, after this, we're going to create clipping mask on it. So, going onto the layer mask from that family image, right-click on that, and then select Create Clipping Mask. There you go. Then, another thing here, to make it more realistic, well, we are going to add some glare to it, so it's something like there's a reflection of the glass. So, just what I've said, I prepare here this kind of image. Yeah, it has this window, curtain, and with the sunlight on it. This one, press Ctrl Command plus C to copy. Let's go to shape file, press Ctrl or Command plus V. All right, so let's rescale this one. Press Ctrl or Command plus T. All right, something like this. This one is okay. And then right click on this layer, then create clipping mask again. There you go. And then from this curtain or this file here, this layer on top, we're going to decrease the opacity. Go up here. Let's decrease the opacity into something like 22. All right, that's fine. Okay, look at that. It created something like a reflection on it. All right, this one is fine. Well, it's up to you on how much opacity you want it. Okay, all right. So I'll just increase this one. Maybe 16 is fine. Okay, here's the before and here's the after. All right, that's okay. And then after this, we have to save this file. So all you have to do is to press Control or Command S to save it. And once you save it, well, let's go back on our original document. All right, here. And there you go. It's already applied on the frame. And that's how it goes. Now let me show you the before and after. This one is the before. And this one is the after. And that is how to put images on perspective frame in Photoshop.